Cartoonist cum artist Shri Bansilal Verma was born at Votila near the Taranga Hill in Gujarat. His father's name was Gulab Rai and mother's Jamna Gauri. After completing his school education, Bansilal came to Ahmedabad to study art. Here he joined the art school of Kala Guru Ravi Shankar Raval in 1935 AD. In 1937, he joined a monthly magazine named Navsaurashtra. Here he laid the foundation of cartoons in the newspaper world of Gujarat. Between 1942 and 1945 AD, he participated in freedom movement, the Quit India movement. With his anti-British government cartoons, he rocked the British Empire in India. Art style. As art painter and a cartoonist, Shri Bansi Bhai was thoroughly proficient artist. His cartoons penetrated the subject through a few lines. He also acted in and directed plays staged by INT. Consequently, action and depiction of emotions is found to be accurate in his illustrations and drawings. After seeing his cartoons, Gandhiji's experience was the sound of pictures reaches farther than that of words. On account of this ability, Bansi Bhai had earned a place in the hearts of the people of Gujarat. Between 1942 and 1945, he participated in freedom movement, the Quit India movement. With his anti-British government cartoons, he rocked the British Empire in India. He started his career in 1948 AD as cartoonist for the Daily Janmabhoomi in Mumbai and served until 2002 AD as a cartoonist for his Daily Sandesh of Gujarat on the Silver Jubilee occasion. He drew a caricature of Sri Rajaji. After seeing this, Jawaharlal Nehru said that he is the best cartoon in his life. In 1959, he started working in his newspaper, the Press Journal. Before independence, he attended the meeting with the Congress. On the request of Shri Guruji Lal Nandar and Shankarlal Banka, he gave service as an artist. He was an art director in film as Drew attended The Ke Egaro Kant Mavni Masi and Mari Hell. Uttaraj. For his contribution, the Gujarat government gave an award of Rs 1 lakh and honored him with the hands of Shri Ravi Shankar Raval. In 1967, he got an award as a cartoonist in the fair at Canada. In 1997, the year of the Golden Jubilee of Independence, the Municipal Corporation of Ahmedabad honored him with the award of Nagar Bhushan. He gave his precious time in his world of art. In 1994, Visual Art Association was launched. He was the leader of this association till his death. Famous paintings. His line drawings entitled A Woman Greeted with Folded Hands became very famous. This painting has achieved great popularity. This famous artist of Gujarat, Shri Bansilal Verma, passed away at Ahmedabad in 2003 AD.